Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 400 Ford 365 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1978 Ford Bronco. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have the 400 Ford engine, double roller timing chain in there. We have the rear sump Canton Racing oil pan, correct oil pan for the 78 Bronco. High flow fuel pump, all the fittings in there. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter all set up. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers on there, all the wire looms all set. Brass freeze plugs, braided dipstick tube and stick. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's C6 transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 400 Ford. Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold on there, MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, high flow 14-inch air cleaner with a washable filter, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell, manifold vacuum fittings hooked up for easy vacuum hookups, electric choke wire in place, chrome fuel line up to the carburetor. Thermostat housing on there, thermostats installed, all set. We have this real nice Raptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. You'll get the remote reservoir and the power steering line kit for the system here, all set. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete turnkey custom built for your vehicle. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, ready to go. So again, this is our 400 Ford for the 78 Bronco. Thanks for watching.